everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we will be doing a tutorial for a dance tutorial for Normani motivation, and a lot of people have been requested since the beginning. I kind of forgot the steps, but bear with me. If you think I forgot, just comment down below. Please don't come for me, please guys, please. But don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please. Subscribe, give it a thumbs up. Okay, here we go. So you're gonna I'm playing. So what you're gonna do is I'm playing. So you're gonna go left. Yes, you're gonna swing like you're swinging a broom. So swing and swing. So left and right. Okay? But your hips have to move like a snake. Like a snake. Your hips have to move. Okay guys? Don't be out here. Don't be stiff with it. Don't be stiff with it. Alright? Okay? So you're gonna go left and right. Your hips go okay, so your hips go left and right. Your hands gonna go 1, 2, 3. Okay? So left, right, 1, 2, and 3. So your hands gonna go 1, 2, 3. It's really fast, okay? So from here, you're going to go. So it's out, in, and then you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're gonna go down the living solo. Fuck. So I can't move. I'm sorry guys, I'm really out of breath. Hands here. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3. While you're going, your feet is going like in. Your feet is going in. Okay? In, guys. This is really hard. Feet is going in. So you're gonna squat. You're gonna go 6 times. So 1. So after your 6th time, you're gonna go 1. So it's 1. I forgot the dance. So it's gonna go 1. What the fuck? Disappointed. I forgot the dance, guys. I'm so sorry. So once is your hand is on the front, the second one your hands will be on the back, third one on the front, the fourth one you're gonna do 4 times. So you're gonna go your hands in the front, another hand in the back, and then front. Your last time you're gonna go 4 times. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you're gonna walk to the front. You're gonna go okay, so then you're gonna go 1. So it's like you know, with attitude, like girl. Okay, so you're gonna go 1, jump, and then jump, hands here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So here I walk around, whatever. Because I don't know, like the way I did on that video, I ain't gonna lie, I was in a rush. Like I just practiced. The next day I did I practiced for like 2 days and I did the video. And I haven't practiced the video for like since I dropped the video, so I forgot some of the steps. But yeah, so here, this part you have to have a lot of energy. Okay, so you're gonna go 1, 2. Alright? So your feet is gonna 1, 2. So it's 1, 2. Okay? So you're gonna go 1, 2. So your arms are gonna go 1, 2, like you're breaking something. So while your arms are going 1, 2, you stamp your feet. So it's 1, 2. Okay, but with energy. So you gotta go pa, pa, open. So it's break, break, open. Okay? Once you open, you're gonna go head, chest. So it's head, chest, and then butt. Okay? So you're gonna go break, break, open, head, chest, back. Okay? Again, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Break, break, open, head, chest, back. Okay, so we're gonna do everything really fast. Okay, 5. Now let's do it from the beginning, if you remember. So from the beginning, 5, 6, 7. So it's left, right, front, then it's out, in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So go 1. So it's 1, 2, 3. Your last one you're gonna do 4 times. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Then you're gonna walk, walk. You're gonna go ah. Okay? So ah, jump. Then it's 1, 2, 3, 4, da da. And then I twirl. You're going to go break, break. Okay? So it's break, break, out. So it's step, out. So da da, out. You're gonna go head. Once you're doing head, your back. Once you're doing head, you have to poke your butt. You poke your butt? Yeah. So it's break, break, open, head, chest, and then back. So it's da 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 da. Break, break, open. So it's head, chest, 1 and 2. Okay? You're gonna do 4 times. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're gonna put it in. So in, spin. After the spin, you're gonna go ha, ha, ha. You know what, guys? I really give up. Like ha, ha. You know what, guys? I really give up. Like, I don't know what happened to me. I'm out of shape. If you know what, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more funny tutorials that it went wrong. See you guys. Bye, guys.